Hello designers! For the next 10 minutes I'm gonna show you how to create 4 new skirts using the basic one. By the way, the link for the basic skirt is already added to the description of this video. And it's free of charge. Simply scroll down and you can find it. Take it and use for your designs. So, let's get started! The first skirt we will make is an A-line skirt. It's very simple construction, especially if you use basic skirt to make it. Add internal lines from the darts. We should cut and sew them to move the dart down and close the waist one. Use merge option for this. It helps keeping the construction balance. Close the down dart, giving some volume. Also, don't forget to delete stitches from the move darts. Front part is done. Let's do the same with the back detail. You can merge central back line or keep it, depending on the construction and design you have. After construction manipulation, we may have some issues. Like here on the waistline. It doesn't look okay. The line's supposed to be beautifully curved. And that's pretty much it. The A-line skirt is done. Since we've just made the skirt, let's continue with another one, basically based on the A-line we have just made. Firstly, let's create the yoke. I'm using offset internal line, creating one, and cut and sew it. Also, I would like to add a few centimeters to the waist area to make it high-waisted. Now the tier of the skirt. We will create a gathering. To make it enclosed, there are 2 options. First one is to extend the pattern from the side using offset pattern outline tool. The second option is to use fulfillment line tool, setting an equal measure to each line, so they will be elongated evenly. I'm checking that all the stitches added correctly. After a few manipulations with details, it happens time to time that something is escaping or shifting somewhere. The second skirt is done. To make the next long skirt, firstly it's necessary to drop the waistline. Since the skirt's supposed to be on elastic, darts might be skipped. I simply deleted them. Editing the waistline after manipulation. I'm using the Measure Avatar tool to determine the length my skirt will be raised. Offset pattern accordingly. The skirt is supposed to be flared and flatter in body. I added new spot near the knee area to create this silhouette. Making the angle a bit more 90 degrees. And the last, we should add the elastic to waistband area to make the skirt fit great on the hips. I determine the length of elastic, create a new rectangle and apply elastic properties. Superimpose under front. The same needs to do with the back side. And the long flared skirt number 3 done as well. The last skirt is a bit more complex compared to the previous ones. Still, pencil skirts are quite classic and popular in many variations of designs. For the midi length, we need to offset pattern below the knee. Add internal lines from the darts, creating princess lines. We should cut and sew them to make new details. To turn non-transparent mode helps to see the feet and to determine where is the knee area, because this skirt is supposed to fit along the legs and this area a bit narrower. Cut and sew side details, and using strain and strained maps, checking how it fits. From my point of view, it's better to add a few centimeters at the hips. Bring some relax to this area. A little addition added, and now it fits great. My skirt is supposed to be on the waistband. Firstly, I'm checking the length in front area. Using shift, attaching detail accordingly to pieces. The same procedure with the back band. The only thing that there are 2 back bands details in my design, because I would like to add zippered central back. In my style, zipper will be with the open end, to make possible to create any length slit for comfortable wear. A few additions to zipper, and that's it. The pencil skirt is done as well. I hope that it was useful. As I promised, it took only 10 minutes. Let me know in comments how was the journey of skirts drafting. Like, subscribe if you enjoyed, and see you soon.